I guess it's time to give my tools away. I didn't want you to think I forgot about the winner. Sonia is the winner, Sonia B. And I'm gonna be shipping these tools to her today. Yes. Took me a while to get ready to send the tools off. I finally found a box. And you know what? I could have got a box at the post office. And that's how I'm going to ship this. I'm going to ship it through the post office rather than through like UPS or FedEx. It's going to be a lot cheaper to do that. And this box just happened to fit perfectly. And you know, if you go back behind a grocery store or something like that, yeah, that's going to be fine. You do something like that, it's cheaper than buying a box at the post office. All right, a grocery store or Target, back behind Target, or you know, Macy's, Sears, any place like that, Best Buy, whatever. And you'll do yourself a favor, save your money. Sonia, hope you enjoy the tools. Thank you for being a subscriber of Joe's. My little note in there for her. And don't worry, is this going to be the last tool contest that Joe ever has? No. That should make you smile, because I've got more thoughts and ideas coming up for my channel. You ever have something you'd like me to do or give away, or a project that I don't have on my channel and you want me to do something for you, just let me know. You never know. If I'm in a position to be able to do it, I will. Sometimes I am, sometimes I'm not, you know? Man, where's the end of this thing? I'm getting close to the end of this tape, and I probably should have ran it up over this. Oh, here it is. Here it is. Oh, there it is. I think Sonia's going to like these tools. Hey, if you thought you would like them, I'm sure she's going to like them. I'm not quite sure how much this is going to cost just yet, but that's another reason why I want to go through the post office rather than FedEx or UPS or something. I'm going to do it snail mail, the cheapest way possible. I'm going to guess this is going to be, $50 to ship this. That's just a guess. It might take 4 to 6 weeks to get there. I'm not going to do, you know, special delivery or anything. This is going on a boat from Maui on out. Okay, so next time I have a tool giveaway, hopefully you'll be the winner. Okay? There it is. Ready for the post office. Well, I got to the post office and I'm glad it was open today. Here's my receipt. Okay. From the post office. And you know, I did it snail mail. $34.31 to ship this. And it's gonna take 4 or 5 weeks, they said. Shipping across the big blue sea out there on its way to Sonia. All right, what am I gonna do for the rest of the day? That's all I have for this time, but I'll be back with more videos. Happy holidays, everybody.